సోషల్ పోస్ట్. నేను మీ వాసవి ఆచార్య. ఈరోజు ప్రాపర్టీ షోలో ఉన్నామండి మనం సైబర్ సిటీ నుంచి. మనతో పాటు అభిషేక్ గారు ఉన్నారు, సేల్స్ హెడ్ తను. సో సార్ని అడిగేసి ప్రాపర్టీ డీటెయిల్స్ ఏంటో తెలుసుకుందాం. నమస్తే సార్.
Hello, ma'am.
ఎలా ఉన్నారు సార్?
All good. How about you?
నేను బాగున్నాను సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. సార్ మన ప్రాజెక్ట్ గురించి కొంచెం బ్రీఫ్ ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ ఇస్తారా?
Yes, so we have a lot of projects. Right now, Cybercity is evolving into multiple segments. We have affordable, high-end and luxury. Right now, we have some ongoing projects in Musapet. Already Unna Mavi entante Marina Skies, Oriana. Then we are launching 2 more projects over there. That is Phase 5 Stone Ridge. And then we have Phase 6, not yet disclosing the name, but very soon. And then in Musapet, we have some luxury projects also, like luxury project, which is our Villa Verde, which is already ongoing. Then Madi Inco Villa project oston Kandlakoyalo, again under nascent stage, but we'll be launching very soon within this year. Then we have something coming in high end, that is in Kondapur, that is Trevita. We have good sizes, low density, and a very good location close to Botanical Garden. And then we already have some commercial space that is on road number 45, and lots more to come in Madhapur. So being said that, yes, we have a lot of projects. We have all the segments, entry level, high end, luxury. So lots to cater over here at our brand.
సైబర్ సిటీ ఎందుకు అంత స్పెషల్ బయర్స్కి?
So we have always been a very consumer friendly or buyer friendly company. We have been, our promoters, as I said, are very involved and very consumer friendly, and they have been involved in all our projects from day one, and they still look into the requirements of customers, let it be whichever segment of customer we are catering. And yes, we always think before launching what helps and what would suit the customer. Right now, we are bringing in some great schemes for our pre-launch at South Parcel, which is no pre-MI offer. We will be.
సార్ కమ్ టు అమ్యూనిటీస్, బెస్ట్ అమ్యూనిటీస్ ఏమున్నాయి సార్?
So right now for our phase 5, which we are launching, it is we have G+4 podium levels, which is parking, and then our podium completely on the ground level for the residences, drive free. And we are retaining from our previous experience at Rock Garden. We are at Stonebridge. We are retaining the entire Rock Hill. We are creating a elevated walkway. We are creating tennis courts, pickleball, skateboarding for the first time in the city. We're gonna bring in a Olympic sized lap pool and lots more like hammock zones, chill out pods. We will be bringing in a lot of new amenities in whatever projects we are launching from now on, and what's existing already has been standing out from day one.
సార్ మరి ఇన్ని అమ్యూనిటీస్ ఇస్తున్నారు కాబట్టి డెఫినెట్గా ప్రైసింగ్ హైయే ఉంటుందేమో అని అనుకుంటున్నారు, బట్ ప్రైసింగ్ ఎలా ఉంది సార్?
So pricing is as per the markets. We are not going to price it very high, but what we are going to do is make it very easy for the customer to buy in with our properties by bringing in some great schemes like no pre-MI. We're going to take care of their pre-MI still handover for certain projects, and also like for our high-end projects, we are strategically located, so the location itself is so premium that the price might come across as premium, but it won't be. Once the customer visits the site and they know where exactly we are coming up with the project, it'll feel like a very good pricing for sure.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ సార్.